Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol NAK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like a couple of weeks worth of time. It's actually just the past 2 days, Thursday and then Wednesday, broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. It does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then just makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I did this analysis on Wednesday, so that is where the green line here is coming from, and that still pertains. It's still relevant as being the key level of support. And the reason 43 cents is a very important level, as I mentioned in Wednesday's video, and I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but if the price were to get down to 43 and then drop below it and then continue on down, well, at that point in time, that would literally be putting the price right back to where it was at those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power. Whereas at least if the price can stay up above 43 cents, so if the price were to come down here, however, now all of a sudden behave like that before it's starting to work its way back upwards, at least in this set of circumstances, you'd have lows right there, you'd have a low down there, and then you envision that as stair steps, and you got stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. So that is why 43 cents, is and continues to be that very important level of support. Now, on the flip side of things, definitely got, not necessarily an update, but what I would consider, a point of confirmation in terms of where levels of resistance are sitting and, where those sellers are hanging out. So let's make this red for resistance, and that area is right here at the 48 cent mark. I'm pretty sure I mentioned that in yesterday's video, but 48 cents makes perfect sense on why that is acting as resistance. There is a foundational rule in charting which states when levels of support are broken. So right here, let's just establish the fact that, 48 cents was no doubt about it, an area of support right there. But as the rule states, when supports are broken, they tend to act as resistance. And that's what played out this morning right there. Got right up at 48 cents. And then later on during the final 30 minutes, once again, right there at 48 cents. So don't get me wrong. I'm not saying the price can never break up above 48. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart here, the price is really going to have to bring its A game if it's going to be able to not only fight above that 48 cent mark, but be able to stay up above it. And in the event the price can fight through 48, the next key level of resistance after that would be up there at the 50 cent mark. So all in all, though, the price is hanging on strong. The price, didn't even test 43 cents. So who knows? Maybe it'll give 48 cents another test on Friday. We will see. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.